final result for matter wey happen between 14-year-old and Baba Ijesha don come out, and this one dey come from the commissioner of police. Yes, and according to the commissioner of police, it does say the case of defilement is under investigation. And what happened, like the whole matter wey shele, he say no be case of rape. So therefore the matter is bailable. For now we no understand this whole matter wey happen now. He say no be rape matter. Say all of una wey they talk say the man rape the girl. Oh yeah, all of us, because me too are dey part. He say may we stop the talker because no be rape matter. And as he be now, based on all the conclusion, my people, they say this man can be bailed. They don't grant and bail as soon as they listen to me now. So I bring a call on side for now. We no know wetin they share, how they talk up, and who be the commissioner of police. We go another bring her. Join me, make we watch the video.
Now talking about Baba Ijesha case. You know, you don't do trial on pages of newspaper. Baba Ijesha case, there are two cases. One, it was alleged 7 years ago to have defiled a girl when she was 7 years ago. The girl is now 14 years. But for now, what I've gone in the media, Baba Ijesha is still in our custody. The case is available, they will not consider him for bail. So while we hear the legal advice, the file has been duplicated, has been sent to the Ministry of Justice. When the legal advice comes now, whatever advice we shall take action. So that's the case of that. But so the convention allegedly made, so the convention that so that girl was assaulted, but not the girl was raped or the girl was defiled. So this is that clarification. The case of defilement was alleged to have happened 7 years ago when she was 7 years old. So this one that was recorded and which he confessed and apologized to is that of assault.
How can a police with university level of education be sounding like person wey no go school? No, wait. You dey hear say this man go defy this girl when she dey 7 years. He come back again, come do am. You still dey talk say no be rape case. So the girl agree. And see, oh Jesus, an adult rape minor. This girl na minor, 14 years old. Adult sleep with am without him permission. The girl, there's nothing when I want tell me say that girl agree, make they do am. And you they come out, they tell us say is bailable. They don't grant am bail. Omo, my people are see the thing be like this, now to carry our pepper spray they work out. Yes. Now to carry out they work out because all the ladies in the house make could have gather here now. Una see why people they carry jungle justice for this country. Because as it is now, Nigeria no get any judicial system. Rara. They no get. So as it be now, on your own. You are what? On your own. Listen to wetin they come up from this man's mouth. When a man touches a woman and the woman, who you they refer as woman? For God's sake, that girl is 14 years old. Why you they, in fact, you should even be referring to her as a baby. Stop they refer to her as woman, like saying at one time 18 years or something. I don't understand. Even an adult, when a man touches an adult without the adult consent, is rape. Not to talk of this small girl where we did. I don't understand. Where on her head day before una go come outside, they talk some kind of things. If this girl was your daughter, you for come outside tell us say the grant and bail. You for agree? Now question no. Una wait, because many people there now they support this man. He go shock una. If now una children where this thing happen to, una go agree say they go grant this man bail. Now my question be that it is only if you feel answer this question I go know whether you get head or not. Una too like, I don't know, until person die before una go start they take matter serious. African, especially Nigeria. If you never die, they go, are you sure? Doubting Thomas Association of Nigeria. See how they talk am. casually. No, you know that's no conscience, no empathy, no nothing. Like you just dey talk like say na normal something. Like say you send person may go buy something for you. Now so this man just come outside dey talk. For una wey still believe say Nigeria exists. Sorry to say, but me, if you ask me, I go tell you say there was once a country called Nigeria, because I know they see that country again. See level where we don't reach. No problem. Now here we go still dey, and I go still come tell una whether they don't bail am, whether they never bail am, anything, because as e be now, they don't grant am bail, meaning say anything is possible. And na for here una go still know wetin be the, in fact, over final say, because now that one we dey wait for. Even me, I dey wait for her. So I beg, share this video, make everybody know wetin commissioner state of what don't come out come talk. Very, very important. And still drop una comment for that comment section. I want to know wetin una think. Una agree with wetin this man talk or not? Drop am there, and make sure say you subscribe. If not, you no go dey get the updates when they come after this one. Stay tuned for our next story.